I am Tech. I'm going to show you how to handle this problem I have been facing. I have my MacBook and now I'm trying to install my CodeBlock, and it is telling me that this app is not cannot cannot be opened because developer cannot be verified. This problem is not a big deal. It should happen to many applications when you are trying to start them from unknown sources. I mean, when you are not downloading them from App Store. For this time, I have downloaded my code block, and when I finished to install, it was asking me this. It was telling me like this. I'm opening code block, and that cannot be opened. Now, I'm going to show you how to handle this problem. Very easy and simple. Let me tell you, and try to subscribe my YouTube channel. First of all, you have to open your application. When it tells you this, it is good. Don't directly move to trash. We are going to handle this. What you can do here, come to system preferences. If it is not here, you would come here, this App Store, at it is Apple logo, and find system preferences. When you come here, we come and find security and privacy here. Yeah, you have to come to security and privacy. Therefore, you have this one: general vault, firewall, and privacy. And make sure you have selected general. And thereafter, you see here, there is a code blocks was blocked from user because it is not from an identified developer. Just what you do, you open anyway. Click open anyway. If they ask you confirm, you must click confirm. Then after, let us check again. This macOS cannot verify the app. CodeBlock. Are you sure you want to open it? Yeah, if they are telling you that, are you sure? Here you are going to allow this code block to be opened in your MacBook, as that you are sure that it is not containing malware. That let us open. As we see, our code block is now opening. That for if you would like to see me installing and setting up my code block, you have to follow my YouTube channel, click on subscribe. I am here always. Comment anything you want in the comment section. Thank you.